Okay, so Jason and I had a conversation today about common questions. Probably the number one question I get as a lender is, can I even buy a house at all? Who am I? I'm Jennifer.Grant. I'm with the Chuck Walden Mortgage team at Silverton Mortgage. We are happy to answer those questions for you. The first thing you want to ask yourself is, do I have 2 years of employment history? It's a common misconception that you have to have been in the exact same job for 2 full years. Not true. Nope. But if you have a solid 2-year work history without gaps, even if you have changed jobs, that's okay. Or even if you're a brand new college graduate, but you're working in your field, we can actually use your college transcript as work history. The other thing is credit score. I know everybody uses online credit monitoring now. Those are not official reporting sources and are not usually accurate, but are you seeing probably 620 to 630 on all of that monitoring? And if no, we still want to have a conversation so we can figure out why not and help you get where you need to be. So you can call me, you can email me, you can reach out to Jason. He'll get you in touch with me. We are happy to help. Have an amazing day.